Today we're going to learn about the Wi-Fi kit. This is an accessory kit that Samsung makes so that you can control this 360 cassette here from the SmartThings app on your phone. So you go to the App Store, you download SmartThings, and then you can control this air conditioning system from your phone. So I'm going to show you the Wi-Fi kit, talk about how it's hooked up, show you the wired controller, and then let's look at the unit for a second, all right? So first I want to show you that right there is the Wi-Fi kit. And it's really small. We've got it up here on top of the 360 cassette. Then we've got a couple wires that go to it, V1 and V2, which is your power, and then F1 and F2. So it ties in with the indoor air handler. This right here is the 360 cassette. Got the Wi-Fi kit up there. All right, I'm going to show you the wired controller that's on the wall. That way you know that you can have the wired controller as well as the Wi-Fi kit. All right, this is a MWR WE10N. And if you change a setting on your SmartThings, right there's the SmartThings app. You can change a setting. See, it says 77. Change it to 75. The wired controller is 75. So you can use a Wi-Fi adapter kit and still have the wired controller. Wired controller wires up to the F3 and F4 terminal on this 360 cassette. Make sure you have the right password. Make sure that you have a router that is connected. Then you'll be able to set this up. You've got a reset button on the side there, and then you've got an AP button. And throughout the process to hook this up to the SmartThings app, you're going to need to push that AP button, hold it 3 seconds, and then your AP, your light, is going to come on right there. So if you don't have a light on for the Wi-Fi symbol, then it means that this little Wi-Fi adapter kit is not connected. Definitely make sure you do that. Make sure you wire it up. F1 and F2, polarity matters. That's pretty cool. Right here is the accessory kit. This is the Wi-Fi adapter. Where do we find the app that we use to control the air conditioner? Well, we go to the Google Play Store, we type in the search bar SmartThings, and this says Samsung Electronics Company. SmartThings, you download this app and you can control the air conditioner from your phone. You can use an Android or an iPhone. Both are compatible with the app. And if you want more information, SamsungHVAC.com is where you go to get info like user installation manuals for the Wi-Fi adapter kit. I'm going to show you where to go. You click Controls, and then you click DVMS. Then you click Central Control. Scroll down until you see the Wi-Fi adapter. Click the Wi-Fi adapter, click one more time, and then you're going to be on the page here at this link. And it shows the Wi-Fi adapter. This right here is the user installation manual, the service manual, technical bulletins, and exploded parts view. So here's all the information that you need. Check out SamsungHVAC.com if you want any technical documents for any of their equipment. I love this resource. It's great to be able to download when you're on the job, and then you can find out in the user installation manual, if you need to, the wiring connections, or a walkthrough of the setup for the Wi-Fi. See, this is the wiring diagrams. Scroll on down and you have the installation of the Wi-Fi kit, SmartThings app. Great information at your very fingertips. Thank you for watching, and remember, I'll keep you cool if you let me.